basically for this project, I was just kind of looking through a lot of different options of mathematicians, and I wanted to find someone who actually had a really big impact on everything we do in math. And so after just thinking about it for a while, I decided that I would actually like to talk about Leonard Euler. This is a person who, in my opinion, is really actually like fascinating because of how much he did. So basically, to start off with his life, um, Euler was actually born in Switzerland in 1707, and that was really long ago. Imagine that the world was just so different back then. Euler went to University of Basel, and he was just so incredibly talented that he actually finished his studies really early and like really fast. It's just kind of amazing to think that this one person was just sitting there, literally just doing math all day, and that his life would eventually just change everything for us in math. So now, moving on to the actual math part, Euler just did so many things that it's actually kind of hard to list them all. But one of the biggest things he did was create notation. And by that, I mean, he's the reason why we use certain symbols. Like, for example, the letter E, the base of the natural logarithm, that was just him. And also for the symbol I, for imaginary numbers, like, that was also just him. It's crazy that we use these things every day and we don't even think about the fact that one guy just decided that this was how it was going to be. So I think it's just really important to recognize that Euler wasn't just a mathematician, but he was actually like one of the most important people in history. This whole project just showed me that this topic is just so deep, and so basically, yeah, my video of Euler and his whole life and everything, what he did for us. So I hope this is helpful. Yeah.
To continue this video about Euler is that he also established much of modern mathematical notation, also including f of x and pi. And he is also renowned for the most beautiful equation in mathematics, Euler's identity, which is E I pi plus 1 equals 0. And he also popularized the use of pi for the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter, introduced E for the base of the natural logarithm and I for the imaginary unit, which Alexis did say. And basically, calculus is a big part of this as well because he basically laid down the groundwork for how we analyze things when we do calculus. And it's pretty cool how now his math is still being used in modern day, and it impacts so many fields like in advanced algebra, calculus, pre-calculus, and many more. So I think it's pretty awesome how from centuries ago he started all of this and it's still being used now. And yeah, that's our video.